In opposition, Rachel Reeves wanted Labour to be the party of business. Now in government, with the Chancellor's first budget looming, how is business feeling about Labour? Especially after today's big hint that major tax rises could fall on firms, not workers.
I'm not asking you about the budget. You're not clear. You made a pledge, no rise in national insurance. I'm asking you, does that apply to both employees' NI and employers' NI?
You know that pledge was taxes on working people, so it was specifically in the manifesto a reference to employees.
The Conservatives were quick to condemn the suggestion.
It's a very bad tax to raise because it's a tax on jobs, and what they should be about is growth and increasing productivity in the economy. The second thing is I think it goes totally counter to their manifesto that assured us they would not be putting up national insurance.
This all comes after a public standoff with global ports and logistics firm DP World, who threatened to derail a £1 billion investment into the UK and make a major investment summit set for tomorrow into a major embarrassment. After the Transport Secretary called for a boycott of subsidiary P&O ferries over the sacking of 800 workers back in 2022. It was resolved, but has this, along with budget speculation, done any lasting damage?
Labour needs to get growth, needs to get new jobs, needs to get higher pay. If you increase employer national insurance and make every job more expensive, you'll start to see, and we're starting to see some signs already, a dip in new jobs being created, but also jobs continuing in the economy, and that's the last thing anybody wants.
A former president of the CBI says early missteps show there's more work to do.
We look at the first 100 days of this government, and it's not exactly been impressive. And it's very worrying with one incident after another. And I thought with a huge majority, we would at last, after the instability of the last 8 years, have some stability going forward.
On the eve of this much-anticipated summit, as global leaders descend on the capital, bringing with them billions in investment into the UK, the government will be looking to leave past tensions behind, quell budget fears and show that Labour really does mean business. Liz Bates, Sky News, Westminster.